Welcome, 8th graders. You're on task number 9, your second to last task for this entire project. And for this, you're going to watch your classmates' Flipgrid videos and their robot presentations that they created. Afterwards, you're going to share some positive feedback that I can give to them. And your essential question for today is, why is positive feedback important to our success? So as you go into your design notebook for task number 9, you'll go down here and you'll see the question at the top. The essential question is there. Remember to answer that. And there are at least 3 videos that you need to watch. And when you do that, you're going to go to Flipgrid. And I'm showing you last year's class presentation. So if you just click on whichever ones you want to watch, I encourage you to watch everybody's. But you're going to watch one. I'll just click on Hanan here. Once you do that, the video will load. You'll click play. Play through the entire presentation, learning about the robot, and focus on just their presentation. And so at the end, you would then write their name. So in this situation, I would write Hanan, and the positive feedback is, I could write something like, I loved your background and pace of speaking. So try to be detailed. Saying good job, that's very nice, but again, try to be a little bit more specific about what they're doing well, and you'll do that for 3 of your classmates. And if you want to add more, that would obviously be great too, and then do your daily summary at the bottom, and that's it for task number 9.